G'day everybody, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we're hacking Genie Plus on broken down rides. We're going to be testing out single rider lane versus lightning lane, and also we're just going to have a little bit of fun. So thanks for joining us on this adventure.
So if you miss a lightning lane, and you want to use that lightning lane in Alice in Wonderland, you get like an experience pass or like a special pass that you can use on majority rides, except for Peter Pan is one of them. Is that right? And then you go to the exit, you scan your ticket, and then you can get to go on to the next ride. One of the rides that we got to use so this is for a Goofy Sky School that we used it for this one, and then we're going back to try to use it for Indiana Jones.
So before I couldn't redeem another one until like 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
But now that I've scanned that in, we can now redeem another one as well.
All right, so you can now redeem another one. So, and that takes away that hour block as well because you scanned it going through the app as well. So it's a multi-play thing when you're scanning that, which is awesome. So we've got one more of those tickets.
I keep booking the Matterhorn, waiting for it to break down, and then getting anything lightning lanes and using it on the rides.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Before, I was like, this is really smart.
Matterhorn always breaks, so you just book that.
Yeah, she did it for the Sky School before.
I knew it was broken down. It's been broken down all day. But yeah, that's why I did it as well.
See for yourself. Oh, Mr. Ray! Wait! Please! It went this way. No, that way. We cannot stop. We play croquet. Rule 42. We play no. My beautiful cake.
One, and I got to go on that.
Sorry,
one.
what was that? Can you say that again? What was that? Method to your madness. Sorry, repeat that. Keep going. Sorry.
There was method to my madness by booking Goofy Sky School because it meant that I either won and I got on Goofy Sky School, or I got to go on something else that I couldn't get on before because the line was too long.
What is good, and like you mentioned before, was just the fact that you can use that little hack that you just did then to go on a ride that doesn't have lightning lane. But once again, the only ride you can't do it on is Peter Pan's Flight, and I think it's one of the other ones.
And then the two paid ones.
And the two paid ones. Yeah, that's right. So I mean, realistically speaking, it's pretty awesome to be able to
Stay with me while I
use it.
Goofy Sky School again.
So the original ride that Dallas did that on was Goofy Sky School because it was closed. She's now booked the lightning lane again for Goofy Sky School because it is down. So when's the lightning lane due?
6:30. So
And this is due at 6:30. So what should happen is either two things, because we do want to ride Goofy Sky School. Goofy Sky School goes up and, Goofy Sky School goes up and we get to go on Goofy Sky School. If it doesn't come back up, we get, the experience pass?
like Dumbo or something where you can have straight
Yeah.
into Dumbo.
So then we get this experience pass, which we just use then for a ride that is not lightning lane, which we just jumped on, went to the exit, scanned the little barcode, and there we go, we're on the ride. So you get out. So it could be, depending on the scenario, it could either be a waste. It's not really a waste of lightning lane, but and Peter Pan is now down.
Because it means we're getting more rides on it.
Peter Pan is no opening up. Was it down and now closed, or is it now opening up? Because look at this.
Like it's opening up.
Look at this.
If we were holding her and didn't have her in the pram, I would have just darted straight.
No, that's what I was just trying to work out, whether or not do we duck the pram.
Got you.
All right, we're gonna eat. Peter Pan's Flight was down and now it's just gone back up. So we're humming and hurrying, but something to eat. Time to get something to eat.
No, that's okay. Right over here, center. Perfect. All right. Hi, princess. Oh, you look so good. Oh,
So once again, there is Lightning Lane just behind me. The lineup goes from way back out here. So it's heading out by where Jumping Jellyfish is. And then Dallas has just gone into single rider and she's the next in line in the queue. So that just shows you the difference between single rider and going on single rider compared to Lightning Lane. Sometimes it really pays to split up that group, and this is one we're kind of forced to anyway. Either I went on through Lightning Lane or Dallas went through Lightning Lane. It was one of the two, or she goes on single rider. So as I'm just trying to work it out, Dallas would have been where the girl in the blue top is. So where the blue top is where we would have entered the line for Lightning Lane. We've actually got Lightning Lane booked for this ride as well. And she's taking single rider at this point. And this is all because of this little one here. Because this little one here can't go on this ride, can you? No, you can't have it. It's mine. Now the reason why I want to do this little experiment is because there's a lot of people who are in our circumstance where they're taking a toddler like Willow out. She can't go on every single ride. So, you've got to sometimes split that pack up, and do you go and buy Genie Plus, or do you do the rides that have Lightning Lane? And a lot of the rides do have single rider. Matterhorn, I was on 30 seconds. It was basically walk on. Okay, under this instance, blue shirt just walked past before. So under this instance, it was quicker than Lightning Lane was quicker than single rider. So Dallas should be on ride now. Coming off? No, she's off. So that means Lightning Lane was faster than single rider that time.
It really was.
No, by probably about a minute.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't much. So yeah, it was about a minute, but it depends on how many people are in the single rider.
Less now than what there was before. Do you want to go?
Correct. Yep.
Go single rider, I reckon.
Oh yeah. Well, Lightning Lane with this one here. Once again, I'm going to go with the blue shirt. So the guy in the blue shirt down there, he's in the line from when I would have been in the line. So now I'm in the single rider on Goofy Sky School to try to work out which is going to be the best. Whether or not, once again, if Lightning Lane or single rider is going to be quicker. Lightning Lane for Goofy's Sky School is phenomenal. It's moving really fast. Down there we're now, so blue shirt is level where I am. Single rider, yeah.
sort of. Now, please stay in your seat till you're given the okay from our ground crew. Then lift up the lap bar and step on out to the plane.
Okay, guy with blue shirt is just about to go on the ride, so that means single rider on that one, a win for me. So there's been 2 wins and 1 loss with single rider versus lightning lane.
Excuse me, what did you get? Hey, Bubba, you got glasses. Look.
Very similar to the Mad Max, except the Mad Max used to take you out like that.
Yeah,
like the wheels were back a little bit more.
My greatest reward is to have the public appreciate and accept what I've done all these years. That is a great reward.
One man, one dream. 100 years ago, Walt Disney set ripples of happiness and imagination in motion. He showed us how little ripples can become great waves. It just takes one.
A dream that's calling out, the hope lighting up that dark.
You are spirits, child. If you listen, they will guide you.
Come run the hidden pine trees of the forest.
Recuérdame si mi guitarra oye llorar. No, that was the only way that I can be.
Is
where you're from, you have the power to make a difference. It just takes one.
I just want to leave you with this thought. It's just been a sort of dress rehearsal. We're just getting started.
Maybe it's a smile on the subway. Maybe it's a whisper in the dark. Maybe it's a hug that meets the heart.